Hello students, today I am going to discuss a very important topic of class 9th, that is Newton's second law. Okay, so what is the statement of Newton's second law? Let us see. The second law of motion states that the rate of change of momentum of an object is proportional to the applied unbalanced force in the direction of force. Okay, it means that the rate of change of momentum means change in momentum per unit time is directly proportional to the applied unbalanced force, right? So let us see what is the meaning of this paragraph. Pf, that is the unbalanced force, is directly proportional to the rate of change in momentum. Means if suppose P2 is the final momentum and P1 is the initial momentum, then P2 minus P1 divided by time interval while this momentum change. So F is directly proportional to P2 minus P1 upon time, right? So let us discuss about mathematical formulation of second law, right? तो हम लोग देखते हैं बच्चों कि मैथमेटिकल फॉर्मुलेशन कैसे हम लोग करेंगे सेकेंड लॉ का. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द डेफिनेशन, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग दैट द अनबैलेंस्ड फोर्स F is directly proportional to the rate of change of momentum. Okay, so we can write this. F is directly proportional to the P2 minus P1 divided by time. Now what is P2 and P1? P2 is the final momentum. Okay, so what is the value of final momentum? P2, that is mass into final velocity, and P1 is the initial momentum. It means mass multiplied by u. U is the initial velocity. Okay, so F is directly proportional to mv minus mu divided by time, and F is also directly proportional to, taking m common, v minus u upon t. And what is the value of v minus u upon t? This is the rate of change in velocity. So what is this? This is known as acceleration. Okay, so F is directly proportional to mass into acceleration, and to remove the proportionality sign we can use a constant k, and the value of k is 1 experimentally. Therefore F is equal to mass into acceleration, right? So this is the final expression, that force is equal to mass into acceleration. Okay, so here you can see acceleration is equal to force upon mass, means acceleration is inversely proportional to the mass. Okay, so this is the mathematical formulation of second law of motion. Okay, thank you.